friend,
What?
what are we going to do today?
Today we will be exploring some wonderful features in Google Home.
Okay. Is it good? The Google Home is good, or what do you think?
It's really good
How? Can you tell me?
because it almost answers my question.
Really? Can you show me some example?
For example, hey Google, what is 30 plus 30?
The answer is 60.
Wow, great.
Hey Google, what is 24 divided 2?
The answer is 12.
Wow, great.
And it can tell us what is the capital of Australia.
Yeah, ask him.
Hey Google, what is the capital of Australia?
Canberra is the capital of Australia.
Wow, that's great.
Hey Google, what is the sound of an elephant? You can do
This
that
is an
too.
elephant.
That's very loud.
Can I make fun with your Google Home?
Of course.
Really? Let me
And
try.
you can talk.
Let me try. Hey Google, how fart sounds?
Sorry, I don't understand.
It sometimes tell if the Google Home doesn't understand.
Okay.
Hey Google, what does fart sound like? Now it
This is a fart.
See, you can do some fun with it. I do all the fun.
That's good. Can you show me some more example?
For example, he can play some music.
Okay.
Hey Google, play a music.
Would you like that to play on living room TV?
It sometimes says no.
No problem. Here's some music on YouTube Music.
See? And if you tap in the middle, it will pause. And if you tap it again, and you
Okay.
can say, "Hey Google, stop."
Okay. Then tell him to play.
Hey Google, play. Take a while.
Hey Google, can you play some Bangla music? Hey Google, tell me about COVID-19.
According to the World Health Organization, coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment.
Okay, that's good. Can you tell me the weather today?
Hey Google, can you tell the weather today? Can you tell weather in Celsius?
Forecast in the Newnham tonight is 8 degrees Celsius and clear. Right now, it's 12 degrees and partly cloudy. By the way, you can say always use Celsius for weather.
Yes.
Hey Google,
Is there any possibility of rain today?
Probably not. Today in the Newnham, there's only a low chance of rain.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me, hey Google, how far is Bangladesh?
Bangladesh is 9,294 kilometers away as the crow flies.
Okay.
and you can say thank you.
Say that.
Hey Google, thank you. Look,
I aim to please.
see?
Ah, that's good. Hey Google, can you tell me some news?
Here's the latest news. From Reuters TV US at 5:41 p.m. today.
Here are your top stories, brought to you by Fidelity Wealth Management.
Okay.
I believe
Hey
I'm
Google,
not
stop.
telling Amer-
Hey Google, can you set your volume to 5?
America the truth.
See?
A whistleblower
Hey Google,
paints
set
a
your
grim
volume to
picture
maximum.
Of the
Hey
US's
Google.
coronavirus
Set your volume to maximum.
response and the grim future that could come.
That's too loud.
Yeah, it's good.
And he can laugh
Yeah.
if you ask her too loud.
Okay.
Do you have anything to do?
Hey Google, can you tell me my son's name?
Your son is Ephraim Arafat.
Oh.
Oh, you know my name.
Hey Google, can you tell me my wife's name?
Your wife is Tumpa.
Wow. He knows that too.
Okay, can I use it for calling?
Of course, you can. Try. Have a try.
Okay. Hey Google, call Tumpa.
Making an audio call to Tumpa on Duo.
It's calling.
Really? Let's
Yes.
see.
It's ringing. If he takes the phone and receive it, we can hear his voice.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you get our call?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. We are just testing. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Apna say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Can I find my phone with this one?
Yeah, of course.
Hey Google, find my phone.
Sure, your Redmi Note 4 should be ringing now.
Oh, great.
Great.
Thank you. Okay.
It should ring.
Okay.
This way.
Have a seat. Let me. Now there are some other good feature. Let us use this Google Home as a Bluetooth speaker.
Hey Google, connect to Bluetooth.
Alright, looking for paired devices. Bluetooth is connected to.
Okay. Let me search a song.
What song?
What song? Tell me.
You. Let me search.
Tell me.
Same
Just
time?
tell me.
Same time? I like that one. Not this one.
Let's see.
It can play in that speaker.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
See?
Very
It can
good.
start.
Friend, can we connect this Google Home with our TV?
Of course, we can.
How can?
We need to connect to the TV first, then choose your favorite thing. I'm going to show you today
Okay, show me.
that Google Home is already connected to the TV, so I'm not saying it,
Okay.
or it will be disconnected. I'm just putting a music.
Okay.
Hey Google, play Legends Never Die on our TV. When you play
Okay, 1 hour Legends Never Die FT
When you-
against the current official audio from YouTube Music. Playing on living room TV.
when you first do the
Customer care team
video,
is here to help.
that you need to say on our TV.
Okay.
This is a music, my favorite music, I really like it.
Okay, that's good.
It's Legends Never Die. I like the music and the voice. And the words.
Can we go
Yeah.
forward?
Yeah, of course.
How?
As much as you can, and the video needs to be long.
Okay.
You can move for 1 minute because it's very, very, very long music.
Okay.
It's 1 hour. You can cut it in and use it if you like to use it.
Okay. Then go. Let's see.
Hey Google, move forward 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's good.
The music is not there.
Okay. Can we change this video?
Of course.
How?
Hey Google, move next episode. You can still hear it. This is the music to have move forward.
Okay.
And if you say stop to Google, the whole video cuts.
Okay. Let's see how we can do that.
Let's see. Hey Google, stop.
Okay.
The
that's
video
good.
has gone.
That's good. Thank you so much, Safrai.
It's bedtime now. I want to listen to some bedtime story. Before that, I want to show you some tricks on my bedroom light, and it's connected to Google Home. I can show you some. The first one will be, hey Google, set brightness to 10. And the brightness is gone. And hey Google, set brightness to 100. And it's bright again. And I can close my lights or off on my lights. I will close it so it will be dark enough to not see me. Hey Google, turn off the lights. It might take a while. Hey Google, turn off my light. I need to say that. See? Hey Google, turn on my light. And it's back on again. And I want to listen some bedtime story now from Google Home. Hey Google, tell us a bedtime story.
Okay, a bedtime story. This one's called Little Gray Fish, and it's from Funky Kids Radio on Google Play Books.
Hey Google, can you set the brightness to 10 first? It's starting.
A simple, plain, and very little grey fish. The little grey fish was called Jeff, after one of his mother's friends, Jeff the turtle.